I used to pray. No, really, I did. Back at the hutch, when I actually loved you, when it all began, when we just had to move up, that we have children. I said it. I said it. Only at first, really. Yeah, this could be safe with a child. It's like Robert said, a combination, half you, half me. And I picture him, sometimes a boy, sometimes a girl, light as you or dark as me or darker, with all little funny hair problems that we just had to contend with. And he was the reason. He was always very, very bright. And sometimes he was light as coffee or dark as chocolate or a beautiful caramel, and as beaming as the laughing Spanish kids we used to see playing out in the middle of the street. I used to patter him after the laughing kids playing out in the street. And sometimes he was cinnamon. And when he smelled of cinnamon when I hugged him. And he was always equal parts you and me. And that is why I wanted him. And that's why I loved him, because he was the love of the hutch embodied. And now the thought of that, the thought of that really curdles me. And oh Lord. Yeah, I only thank the benevolent God for being wiser than me. Because if a son existed now, I swear to God I'll bash his head against the goddamn radiator! You used to be! And all the while, I was the one that was saying, melt this white flesh into this black flesh and something come of it. And saying yes to you. And oh God, oh, it curdles me. Thank God in His gracious wisdom. You know what? I don't give a damn about you. I don't care if you loathe my people. I don't give a tinker's damn if you loathe everyone and yourself to boot. And if you lost your faith, and if you lost your hope, and your love, and your humor, and your goddamn balls, I don't care a goddamn about you. I'll never think of you. Only except to thank God for saving me from killing my child. I want a child. Yes. More than ever. And by God, I'm a happy one. With a black man. Just like me. And my son's gonna be so black that he's blue. My son's gonna be blue. My son's gonna be black as the night. My God, he's gonna be black as the night.